stop tickets, so I went back to the counter and I bought 2 more with it, and I won $10 and that was just right. So I bought a 6-pack and a bag of ice. You know, if Marshall came in and this is all we got, it ain't like we really need $1 million yacht. Cause we got an engine, we got a trailer, it's way in the river. Far from rich, but we got each other and gas in a tank. We're driving all the way to the riverbank. Still, you imagine if we ever struck it, I'd go shoot tequila, take up, tell our bosses they can do the same. We find a big cruise ship and buy the whole dang thing. We'd sail around the world and go to shore in a day till that dream comes true. Why don't you grab your bikini? Cause we got to live too. We got a trailer that's way in the river. Far from rich, but we have got each other and gas in the tank. We're laughing all the way to the river. However it goes, whatever happens, we got it made. In these shades, baby, we can float. We have to float. We can ride away. We're laughing all the way.